In today's fast-growing urban world, one of the biggest and most visible challenges we face every single day is the problem of improper waste management and the lack of effective waste segregation and recycling systems. In almost every city, we can see heaps of mixed garbage lying near roads, overflowing bins, and foul smells from dumping grounds. This problem has become a serious environmental and health concern. Most people in urban areas still throw all types of waste, food leftovers, plastic wrappers, paper, metals, and even hazardous materials, into the same bin. This mixed waste is later dumped into landfills, making it almost impossible to recycle useful materials. When biodegradable waste decomposes with plastic and metal, it releases toxic gases like methane and carbon dioxide, which contribute heavily to air pollution and climate change. Uncollected garbage also attracts animals, flies, and pests, spreading diseases and affecting the overall hygiene and livability of our cities. Poor waste management causes not just pollution, but also a massive waste of valuable recyclable resources. Despite having municipal collection systems, there is a clear gap at the citizen level, where awareness, segregation practices, and proper disposal methods are missing. This growing issue deeply affects urban cleanliness, water quality, air quality, and ultimately human health. Recognizing this as a highly relatable and personally relevant problem for every urban resident, our team decided to design an innovative solution that blends technology, awareness, and community engagement to tackle waste management at its roots. That's where our project, EcoSort, was born. EcoSort is a smart, community-driven waste segregation and recycling platform designed to make cities cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable. It is a unique blend of innovation and practicality that brings together the power of the Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, and behavioral motivation through community rewards. The idea behind EcoSort is simple yet powerful: use smart technology to encourage responsible waste segregation, make it convenient for citizens, and ensure that every recyclable material reaches the right recycling channel instead of ending up in a landfill. EcoSort works as an entire ecosystem rather than just a single product. At its core are smart IoT-based bins equipped with advanced sensors and image recognition technology. These smart bins can automatically detect and categorize waste into biodegradable, recyclable, and hazardous categories. For example, if someone throws a plastic bottle or a paper wrapper, the bin can identify it and guide the user through an indicator or display. Each bin is also connected to the municipal system via IoT sensors that send real-time alerts when the bins are full, ensuring timely collection and preventing overflow. This kind of automation reduces the manual burden on waste workers and increases the overall efficiency of the collection system. Along with these bins, EcoSort comes with a dedicated mobile application that connects citizens, municipal authorities, and recycling units on a single digital platform. Through the EcoSort mobile app, users can easily locate nearby smart bins, track waste collection schedules, and even report uncollected waste in their area. The app also includes an exciting green reward system, where users earn eco points every time they dispose of waste responsibly. These eco points can later be redeemed for discounts, digital coupons, or recognition badges, thus creating a gamified approach to responsible waste disposal. This not only encourages participation but also builds a long-term sense of environmental responsibility among users. For city administrators, EcoSort offers a data and analytics dashboard that provides real-time insights into waste generation patterns, bin usage, and recycling efficiency. The data collected from smart bins helps municipalities optimize collection routes, reduce operational costs, and make data-driven decisions for better resource management. Artificial intelligence further enhances the system by predicting waste accumulation trends, helping authorities deploy resources effectively. But technology alone cannot solve this problem. It requires people's active participation. That's why EcoSort strongly emphasizes community engagement and awareness. Our plan includes conducting regular workshops and awareness programs in schools, colleges, residential societies, and corporate offices to educate citizens about the importance of segregation at the source. Campaigns like Zero Waste Month and Eco Challenges can motivate individuals and communities to adopt cleaner habits. We also aim to collaborate with certified recycling units and composting centers to ensure that the waste collected through our bins is properly processed and reused. Plastic waste will go to recycling partners, organic waste to composting facilities, and hazardous waste to safe disposal centers. This ensures that the cycle of waste management is truly circular and sustainable. The problem we address through EcoSort is not just about cleanliness. It is about sustainability, health, and the responsible use of resources. Every piece of waste that gets recycled reduces pollution, saves energy, and conserves raw materials. Currently, India generates over 62 million tons of waste annually, out of which only a small fraction is segregated and recycled properly. The rest either gets burned or dumped into landfills. This results in air pollution, soil contamination, and greenhouse gas emissions. With rapid urbanization and population growth, the problem will only worsen unless we adopt smarter, data-driven, and inclusive solutions like EcoSort. From a market perspective, EcoSort has a large and growing opportunity. Our primary target audience includes students, young professionals, and environmentally conscious citizens living in Tier 1 cities such as Mumbai, Delhi, Pune, and Bangalore. These individuals are tech-savvy, health-conscious, and open to using digital platforms for daily convenience. Our secondary audience includes housing societies, corporate offices, and small businesses that generate moderate waste and are looking for smart solutions to comply with sustainability guidelines. We also plan to work closely with municipal corporations and government agencies under smart city initiatives, as they are key stakeholders in waste management. The competitive landscape shows that while traditional waste management systems rely heavily on manual processes, lack transparency, and have limited recycling efficiency, EcoSort stands out with real-time tracking, citizen engagement through rewards, and a sustainable technological backbone. Our unique value proposition lies in combining technology, data, and community engagement to make waste segregation not just a civic duty but an everyday habit that is simple, rewarding, and impactful. Our business model is structured to ensure both social impact and financial sustainability. Revenue will be generated through multiple streams: government partnerships under Smart City and Swachh Bharat projects, subscription-based plans for residential societies and institutions for bin maintenance and data analytics, corporate sponsorships under CSR initiatives, and revenue from selling recyclable materials to certified recycling units. Additionally, the data collected through our platform will provide valuable insights for urban planners and sustainability researchers, adding further value to the ecosystem. Our go-to-market strategy is divided into 3 phases. In Phase 1, we will launch a pilot project in 2 or 3 high-waste urban zones to test and refine the system, track user participation, and gather feedback. In Phase 2, we will partner with municipal authorities, promote the app through social media, and engage schools, colleges, and eco-clubs to build awareness. In Phase 3, we aim to expand to other cities, integrate AI-based route optimization, and gamify user engagement even more for long-term adoption. Through this structured rollout, we plan to scale gradually while maintaining system efficiency and community trust. From a social perspective, EcoSort has the potential to create a powerful positive impact. First, it directly contributes to cleaner cities by reducing the volume of waste sent to landfills. Second, it promotes public health by preventing the spread of diseases caused by unmanaged garbage. Third, it encourages citizen participation in sustainability, transforming passive residents into active contributors to the environment. Fourth, it supports employment generation, as the system requires local staff for bin maintenance, data analysis, and awareness campaigns. Finally, it helps reduce carbon footprint by ensuring recyclable waste is reused and organic waste is composted, leading to a more circular and sustainable economy. By bridging the gap between citizens, technology, and municipal systems, EcoSort turns an environmental challenge into a collaborative solution. In the long term, the vision of EcoSort goes beyond just waste management. It envisions building a future-ready smart city ecosystem where every action is tracked, optimized, and designed to reduce human impact on the planet. The data-driven model of EcoSort can be integrated with other urban systems like water management, energy monitoring, and pollution tracking, creating a holistic smart city environment. Moreover, as people start earning rewards and recognition for sustainable behavior, it creates a culture of responsibility, one where taking care of the environment becomes part of everyday life rather than an occasional campaign. Our project journey began with a simple observation: overflowing bins and mixed waste in our locality. This problem, which many of us ignore as normal, became the inspiration for a change. Through research and analysis, we identified the root causes: lack of awareness, limited infrastructure, and absence of smart tracking mechanisms. With EcoSort, we aim to tackle all three together: educating people, empowering municipalities, and using technology to track progress. The ultimate goal is to make waste segregation effortless and attractive for everyone. EcoSort represents innovation not just in technology but in thought. It transforms the way society looks at waste, from something useless and dirty to something valuable and worth managing properly. In doing so, it aligns perfectly with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, especially Goal 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, Goal 12, Responsible Consumption and Production, and Goal 13, Climate Action. Through responsible segregation and recycling, EcoSort helps reduce urban pollution, minimizes carbon emissions, and encourages sustainable living habits. To conclude, improper waste segregation is not merely a cleanliness issue. It's a deep-rooted environmental and social problem that affects everyone. Through EcoSort, we are not just proposing a system but building a movement for cleaner, smarter, and healthier cities. By merging IoT, AI, and human participation, we can turn waste into wealth, pollution into progress, and negligence into responsibility. EcoSort is not just a project, it's a vision for the future. A vision where every citizen plays a part in preserving our planet, where data drives efficiency, and where sustainability becomes second nature. Together, through innovation, awareness, and action, we can transform our cities into spaces that are not only smart but also sustainable, responsible, and truly livable for generations to come.